So I am Neha Goyal. I'm a trauma-informed empowerment coach, numerologist, and a DNA astrologer, the only one who does DNA astrology in North India. So today we will be speaking about my favorite topic, I'm sure all of us, which is money. How many of you want success and 10 times the money that you are earning today? Raise your hands and claim it. Absolutely included. So today I'm going to speak about something which is known as ownership illusion. Ownership illusion in this case क्या होता है? That we have certain preset language around our money and around our success. So आप में से किसी ने कभी भी in your life have you ever thought कि पैसा कमाने के लिए बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी? Raise your hands. Anybody? Right. पैसा आसानी से नहीं आता and one thing जो मैंने तो अपने घर में definitely सुनी है which is पैसा क्या पेड़ पे टंगता है? So ये believe करने में हमें it takes a long while. We feel, our body feels that it's magical, it's some illusion. It is something which is not true. That if somebody even comes and tells you that it's easy, which the feminine energy basically is that of ease. We just have to sit and we attract things towards us. Another thought that we have always thought कि घर की लक्ष्मी को जितना दोगे उतना बढ़ेगा, right? Yeah. Have you all heard this?
Yes.
But somewhere down the line, we have created certain blocks. The ownership illusion here is that this language which has created those blocks is not even ours. Now the point is कि ये कहाँ से आई, right? So this is what we have heard over a period of time. अभी अपने मम्मी से, अपने पापा से, because उनके circumstances बहुत different, बहुत unique थे. You see, they were either growing up in a place where partition had just happened, India was still developing, going abroad or a relative abroad was a dream, to settle abroad was a dream, not so much for ourselves. So are you all ready to let go of those beliefs which maybe at some point serve them, but they're not true for us entirely, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so if there is a limiting belief that you have around money, such as just I've given the example of, तो जो भी है आपके लिए, whatever is your money language, it is not our voice. It's either
it is driven from somewhere for sure.
You heard it
just
somewhere.
observation.
I think usually
It
it
is
is
some observation
parents
also.
or grandparents
or even great
No,
grandparents.
it's
not
repeating it in the
necessary.
house.
Or maybe a book that has impacted us so much.
Observation,
movie
no?
that
It
you
is
saw.
Yeah. Somebody whom we, I'll just come to you. Somebody who we really trusted at some point, like I just gave the example of a teacher, that how will you succeed in life when you can't even solve this? Maths से अगर नहीं आता आगे चल के कैसे बढ़ोगे? The reason why we are doing this is not to blame the other. The reason why we are doing this is just to identify, and what we are going to do next is to give it back to the owner. So for you who or anyone else who hasn't been able to recognize or truly believe that it is not someone else's, it is mine, trust in my work and what I have been doing, and imagine and then do whatever is the next step. Muscle memory, all of these beliefs, they have been stored through various ways in our body. And what is the best way? What is it that we are constantly doing through our body?
Breathing.
Exactly. So we will do a little bit of a breathing exercise such that we drop into the body, because currently we are in a very stimulated environment, conversations kar rahe hain. We know that we have to introduce our work. So our nervous system is very active, right? As it should be in such an environment. So just for a few seconds we will relax it. So we will breathe in this rhythm. We will breathe in for 4 counts. I will do the count for you. We will hold for 2 counts, and then we will breathe out with a sigh. I'll just show it to you for 6 counts, right? So we are breathing in 1, 2, 3, 4, holding for 2, and when we are breathing out, it's like a sigh, like. So the more you open your mouth, the more you will be able to release it. And so are we ready? Shall we do this? All right, beautiful. All right, so breathe and just follow my whatever I'm saying, right? And even in the visualizations, even while you are tapping. So breathe in to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2. 1, 2. And breathe out at the count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slower the better. 6 is the count. So breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for the count of 2. 1, 2. And breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This time when you breathe in, visualize this person to whom this belief belong to. If you still are not able to find out who it is, visualize a figure. That figure will surely come to you. And this time, when you're holding, you will take your hand to a body part where you will be intuitively guided to where that belief in your body resides. So you will take your hand, you will put it on that body part. It could be anywhere: chest, yoni, stomach, intestine, not intestine, navel, shoulder. Some people carry a lot of weight of it. So for some people it is shoulder, for some it's the back of the head, right? Because they have never felt supported. Like money के लिए मुझे कोई support नहीं करेगा, मुझे सब कुछ अपने आप ही करना पड़ेगा. So sometimes they feel it in the shoe. Wherever basically you have stiffness in your body, wherever you feel you need a release. At the count of 2, you will take your hand over there. And then when we are counting 6 and when you are sighing out, you visualize that that belief has come into your hand. And as you sigh out, you are giving it to this person, and that person is also willingly taking it, because all they want is their progress. Your progress. They did not know any better. It was their way of protecting you, but it has served its purpose so far. You don't need it anymore. All right. So let's breathe. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Take your hand to the place where you face this stiffness. Is that a raise of a hand?
No.
Okay, yeah. So yeah, where you have it on the body. So wherever you are experiencing this stiffness, and then at the count of 6, give it back to the person in front of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you give it, say it out loud. This is yours. I release it from me.
I release it from me.
I have carried it on your behalf for far too long.
I've carried it on your behalf for too long.
I honor you
I honor you
and your need to protect me.
and your need to protect me.
It is my time now to move forward.
It is my time now to move forward.
Now give it to them, and they're happily taking it, because all they want is your progress. All they want is for you to flourish monetarily. 10 times success, 10 times abundance. And this time, when we will breathe in and breathe out, we will embed a new belief system. Alright? So let's say the most common: I am worthy of 10 times abundance. Okay? Let's do that. So we will breathe in to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take your hand and keep it on your chest and the other one on your navel. And breathe out at the count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this time I will be repeating this belief system for you. You will visualize a connection between your chest and your navel. Chest is where the heart chakra is, which is how you operate in the world. And navel is where our seat of power and seat of creation is. So we will create a connection between our navel and our chest. So as you breathe in, you see energy moving up from your navel to your chest. And when we breathe out, we see the energy moving back from our chest to the navel. Thanks. So the energy of limiting belief system is also limiting. It contracts us. It contracts our body. It makes us shy. It makes our throat chakra choke. We are not able to speak, etc. But whenever we are confident, whenever we have a belief system which serves us, our body expands. So you may expand your body, which is slowly, and of course please take care of the people around you. Let's not bump into each other. So slowly you may expand your hand upwards and take in the energy of 10 times abundance flowing through the ether into your hands, where you have all the nerves of receptivity. Hands receive. And as you expand now, close it and bring it to your chest, which is the next energy system for expansion and multiplication. Whatever we love, we want it to expand, and love happens from the heart. So this is from me. Thank you so much.